Yeah, people keep on to say, black. Yeah, people keep on to say, you know, the foreigner them in America and England and Canada and them place, they're rich. Let me fix my camera. They keep saying they're rich. You know what I mean? Yo, let me tell you something, man. Yo, but me tell you something. Nothing no go so, brother. Saying? Yeah, man, nothing no go so, bro. Saying? Them create this illusion, bro. Create this illusion like, yo, everybody rich in a foreign, and you know what I say? We just have access to certain things, and that's, you know. Saying? We just have access to certain things, and just the imagination of just where we get sold on about America. Them thing there. These are the problem, brother. See? And it create a lot of problem because, like I said, the people them, even when them not rich or even when nothing not go on for them Africa, them feel compelled for act like them rich. I tell you, and not a joke. See? You understand me? So just imagine, you know, it's like everybody thinks that as soon as they come off of the plane in a JFK or Fort Lauderdale or Miami, once your foot touch the ground, yo, I come like you find the money glitch. You know what I say? Like it just, like the money just glitch you and you just reach out. Brother, let me tell you this. Sisters, let me tell you this. You want to see some apartment. When I live good at Jamaica, you know? You don't want to come to New York. Well, I'm not New York, me there. But you don't want me there close to New York. You don't want to go to New York and see how some of the so-called rich family member at Jamaica I live in a New York, big New York City. New York City. Yo, New York City, I want crammed up place, you know. I'm not gonna say everywhere, but more side, especially in our city, Bronx, Queens, Brooklyn. Brother, you ever hear about concrete jungle? I hate that, brother. Yeah, man. You're not in the front yard, you're not in the backyard. See? You understand me? The apartment them where them are rent, brother, I like, yo, you can't barely squeeze in, brother. See? Tight. Small apartment. And you know how much money them a pay for that? All $2,000, brother. Yeah, man, a serious thing, man. I talk about no 3-bedroom, I talk about all 1 bedroom or half a bedroom, 1,500. For all 1 bedroom, you know. That's a normal money, you know. Do the conversion for me in Jamaican dollars. See? Me I tell you, yeah, and them things they are like the worst. So, and enough of them I work 3-4 job, brother, cause them have to pay a light bill, them have to pay a gas bill, them have to pay. Yo, remember, you know, all the man them, enough of the man them wanna say left Jamaica, you know, them come breed girl, you know, brother. I remember, you know, them girl in a play, you know. Child support, you know. See? Child support lock you off, you know, brother. You can't even fly more time, you know, fly your virgin or your family or your uncle or whatever can come look for you, you know. Yeah, man. See? So it's like this pressure for make you feel like, say, boy, yo, you're there and life sweet, brother. And that's how it go, my brother. Me I tell you, you know, go so, brother. Yeah, man, it's actually even harder because you have to get up and go do something, brother. And the man, them when you get up and do nothing, boy, yeah. Yo, I can't tell you, brother. The man, them when you get up and do something, brother, it'll come like a madman at Jamaica, you see me? Yeah. You understand me? See, you can't, nobody now make you stay in the house for too long, brother. The pressure over you wicked, brother. So, reverse now you have to try to say, alright, yeah, man, can't make them feel like me come a foreign, come waste time, you know. See? can't make them make me feel, me can't cover foreign and make them feel like it's a waste time. You understand me? Yeah, serious thing, brother. Them place are drain them, man. So for the people them will feel like when they are Jamaica and when them call all them family, I feel no way when they say them all a dodger, brother. More time our sister. More time I just yo, I just don't want to say yo, him not have it. So whereas all war I go on all and no war I go on you know about ya, brother. A problem, brother. You see me? But me don't even want to get into them things there because them things they affect everything. See? Yeah. See? So one of the people them who like oh we can't change this that whole concept yeah, the foreign concept thing yeah. Because it damaging to the culture, brother, cause it damaging. See? It affecting a whole heap of way, brother. See? Yeah, because when we feel build wealth as a diaspora, right? Whatever, if I saw them call it, you know. While we feel build wealth, we come a foreign work hard, and come back to Jamaica, come waste it. See? Like me say, like me say. And when they come to Jamaica, brother, the man them a say, yo, if you don't come, if you just ignore all of that, right? They say, fuck it. I ignore that. The business what them a say. But it not got me to you know. But it's not easy, brother. Yo, we can't tell about Jamaican people them yo different, you know, brother. Them know if you make you feel fuck up, you know. You see what me I say? You come to Jamaica and you come all to Jamaica for all the weekend and you never really plan to bring nothing. See it? You understand what I say? You just forward. You see me? Better bring something everybody I look for your way, brother. And me, I tell them me know, because me a Jamaican. See? Them boy they broke like dog. And what them man there do a foreign dog? And then they sit down and talk and they say, what them man there do a foreign? The man there, we saw them days. You see me? And when them sit and then my Jamaican people, when they see the deported them come back and them not have nothing, me not lie on the street, them fuck up. Yeah, that is our next topic, bro. Yeah, on the deal with them away, brother. Me not lie, it fuck up. And me can't tell you from first hand experience, but that'll be a whole series of video for me telling you. About that, see that, I gonna be a whole series of video for me telling about feeling, how if I put it, without revealing what me I got to talk about. When you make me know if you want me to talk about that, you see me? Yeah, when being not able to leave the island, may I just put it like that? Yeah. I know that feeling there. Yeah. That desolate feeling there, brother. How your own people, them at Jamaica make you feel, dog. And when they used to go and come and all them things, they make you feel like, yeah, you're done. Especially if you bring things, come get them. I want to you, brother. Yeah. The minute them things say you're not good enough. The minute them things say you don't have no money, brother. Everybody. Not everybody, most people turn them back on you, brother. See? People treat you away. Mess you, deal with you messed up. You see me? But more than the people them for easy upon the Jamaican them will live in a foreign country them, brother. It's not easy over here, brother. Yeah, man, I know an easy place, brother. I road be there right now. I also be there out there also, brother. Always a hustle. See it? Yeah, me probably get like a good 6 hours sleep most night. You see me? I don't know joking thing, man. Them thing are real, brother. I wanna understand them thing. See? Me not bash nobody because I just true we not understanding, brother. See, until they forward, boy, you gotta understand. See, I build want build some wealth at Jamaica, brother. See, instead of come down with barrel of clothes and barrel of shoes and you see me? And just a show off and come back here and man get kicked out of them house and all them things. Enough of them things them I say go on, you know, brother. From here look youth, you know, brother. In America, you know, brother. A whole heap of them things them I say go on. Yeah, brother. A serious thing me I telling them, man. You have it. It's like you have it forward down and clean. Yo, you ever see all some of them people there in Jamaica give all a bad guy, brother? And I say, yo, I wait for you, man. I want that him have on. I can't, most country I come from, I can't foreign. You see what I say? Take them easy. Yeah, man. Yeah, go on, man. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Blacker than black. Renzo again. Yo, you make me know. See? What I want to make me know is, yeah, I care that bad. But yeah, I want the people them. Oh, we can fix that broke foreigner thing, yeah, like what them a tell us say boy, them a broke foreigner, and make them understand. How can we let the other side, the Jamaican, them a Jamaica, understand, say, yo, most people where they are foreign, them not rich. You have some people that do good, but most people not rich, bro. You see me? Yeah, man. I be a brother. See, me if you end the video, but bro, I be a, you see a man a drive a Benz and nothing that. Believe me, brother. You have credit, you can't get that, brother. You work one job, you can't get that, brother. See it? Brother. Trust me. Them things they are nothing, brother. See, as long as I can make a payment, I can get it. That's how America run, brother. See, some of the people them understand, say, nobody watch a thing, brother. Nobody make you feel. And to my Jamaican them in America, and England and Canada, and the other island them, don't make nobody make you feel. Don't make nobody make you feel like, say, you have to act like you're rich, bro. I biggest stress that in your life. Because when you really not have it, I have to hide from people. You hear me? I say, blacker than black. Renzo, like, share, subscribe. Let me see you in the comment section. I'm out. Black.